Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holders? So after a very long time, BTT has absolutely take a very huge jump, and after a very long time, BTT is wake up. So it's mean to BTT is ready for the moon, and BTT holders, we are got to the moon. Let's predicate this coin to what's the update of this coin, whether it can really that will make you millionaire in this month or not. Because all crypto or currency, my friend, as you wake up, and the current condition is going to be very good. But you can say, brother, BTT as fell as down from last 1 hour, but don't see this short fail. I hope, my friend, after this short fails, they also take a very huge jump. Because if you can see here, the last 24-hour average is going to be positive, so it's mean to this is short fail. You can see here, sometimes they take a short fail, but after that they again take a jump. You can see here, short fail, short jump. Every graphic is moving in this style, so therefore don't see the short fail, and be remember to this coin, one of the fastest coin. I hope in upcoming time they will give you very good profit now. So as you can see, my brother, especially the last 1 month chart, if we see, so exactly we understand to really after a very bad fails they take a jump, and absolutely after a very bad fails also every cryptocurrencies remember to every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. So I hope in upcoming time they will take a very huge jump. You need to hold, and if you have any plan to invest more, then exactly this is a very good time to you go now, invest now, and absolutely hold it and wait for the end of month. I hope they will give you a very good profit now. So thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe this channel.